So let's solve the question number 6. Question number 6 says that alpha is equal to limit x tends to infinite xs cube box by xs cube and beta is equal to box x whole cube by xs cube, where box x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So we need to find out where alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 0, 1, beta is equal to 1, alpha is equal to 1, beta does not exist, or neither alpha exists nor beta exists. So for this, what I am going to do, first of all, let me write down alpha. Alpha is equal to just a second. So alpha is equal to limit x tends to infinity box of xs cube by xs cube, right? So for this, what I am going to do, I am going to approach infinite by two sequence. First of all, let us choose a sequence xn is equal to n. Okay, now as xn n tends to infinity, now I am writing f of xn, I am writing f of x is equal to box of xs cube by xs cube, right? Now if you choose xn is equal to n, then f of xn becomes n cube, its box by n cube, right? So now observe that box of n cube is always, as n is a natural number, then n cube is a natural number, so box of this is nothing but n cube by n cube, so this is equal to 1. So we are approaching. Now if this limit exists, then this must be 1. Okay, now next what I am going to do, I am going to approach, I am choosing a sequence yn is equal to 3 by 2 times of n, right? 3 by 2 times of n. Now okay, now yn is equal to 3 by 2 times of n. This yn is again tends to infinite. Now let us choose f of yn. Let's talk about f of yn. F of yn is equal to 3 by 2 into n is whole cube, right? By 3 by 2 into n cube, 3 by 2 cube into n cube, right? So this is nothing but equal to 3 by 2 times of n cube means 27 by 4 n cube by this is nothing but 27 by, sorry, this is 27 by 8 n cube by 8 into n cube, right? Now observe that 27 by 8 n cube, it does means that 3 point something into n cube, right? So box of this is nothing but 3 n cube by 27 by 8 into n cube, right? So cancelling this n cube with n cube and 3 with 27, I will get 9. So 8 by 9. Okay, now so if we approach infinite by two distinct sequence, then f of these limits are distinct. Okay, so I can say that alpha does not exist, or limit of this function does not exist. Okay, so we have talked about alpha. Now let's talk about beta. Okay, beta is equal to limit x tends to infinite box of x cube, box of x is whole cube by box of x, x cube, right? Now again I am choosing the sequence xn is equal to 3 by 2 times of n. Now I am approaching infinite by this sequence, and if here f of x is equal to box of x whole cube by x's cube. Now f of xn is equal to 3 by 2 times of n is whole cube by 3 by 2, that is 27 by 8 n cube again. Now 3 by 2 times means 1 point something of n, that is n cube by 27 by 8 n cube, right? So I am cancelling this n cube and n cube, so 8 by 27. Now if this limit exists, suppose I am considering you for the time being, assume that beta is exist. So let's see the options. You can see 28 by 27 is not available in any option, right? So I actually can conclude that beta does not exist. Okay, so option D is our correct option, that is neither alpha exists nor beta exists. So observe that this kind of limit does not exist, right, students? So we have solved the question number 6, right? So let's solve the question number 7. Okay, so okay, question